Hi folks, thanks for choosing Sunset Auto Family. You know, we've got warranty protection for life and oil changes for life on most of our vehicles. Here's a video of the vehicle you selected. Hi folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sunset Auto Family, home of warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, and now Sunset Direct. We'll bring it to you. We'll do the whole deal in the comfort of your own home.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.